Hey everyone, welcome back to the brand new Honest Reaction Aeronators, and today we're going to be listening to RM's Forever Rain. And you guys over on my Patreon, you voted for the next song, the next BTS song. It was RM, only RM options, and actually Moonchild in this one, they got equal amount of votes, but I decided to go with this one because it has a music video. So I'm pretty excited. I haven't listened to that many of his solo tracks, so that's gonna be cool. Before we jump in, I'm gonna do my comment shout out. As always, this one goes to I Have No Jam, who says the other name of this video should be Aaron defending his hands for about 2 minutes. That was a comment under my video to BTS moments that keep me up all night, something like that. And hey, if you don't believe that I have kind of big hands, I can measure them for you, you know, and let you know in the next video. I'm gonna keep defending them. But yeah, let's begin with the song now. Before we jump in, don't forget that this video is actually sponsored by my Patreon. So if you would like to see my exclusive reactions to BTS Run episodes and BTS Bon Voyage, make sure you check it out. The link is gonna be down below. Okay, let's begin. You see, I'm holding my mouse with my enormous, absolutely enormous hands. Oh, let's go. Oh, so it's going to be like a drawn cartoon like music video, huh? Raindrops. The background music sounds really beautiful. It's very my style, you know. You know that I like sadder music, so it's like that.
하루 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 누가 나 대신에 좀 울어줬으면 해서. Yeah, 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 그럼 사람들이 날 쳐다보질 않았어. Yeah, 우산이 슬픈 얼굴 가려주니까 빗속에선 사람들도 저마다.
Wow, what is he doing there? What is this? It's listen really closely. It sounds like he's doing background vocals, but they're intentionally out of tune to create this very eerie feeling. Just listen to this bit. Right? You hear it, right? Yeah, so there's his voice, there's the background music, and then background vocals, and yeah, I think they're kind of out of tune intentionally. It makes it sound even darker. Whoa.
우산이 슬픈 얼굴 가려주니까 빗속에선 사람들도 저마다 바쁘니까 좀만 느리게 숨 쉴래. 평소엔 내 삶도 내 랩도 너무 빠르니까 지금 모든 게 저 위치로 하늘에 나의 그림자가 비치고 난 어둠을 딛고 서 있어 고개를 밑으로 내 발 뒤꿈치로. Yeah, slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. Yeah, slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow.
Oh, that's great layering. I'm hearing it in my left ear, so for you it's gonna be inverted, so no, it's still left ear probably, but to you it looks like right, so you're gonna be hearing it in this side of the screen. How can a sound be in the side of the screen? Whatever. So listen. We're hearing some lower and kind of form and shifted vocals here.
Yeah, slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. Forever rain. Forever rain. Forever rain.
Oh. We're getting a little bit of that electric guitar. Wow, this was beautiful, guys. Beautiful melodies. He's doing vocals.
비가 오면 조금은 나 친구가 있다는 기분이 들어 자꾸 내 창문들을 두드려 잘 지내냐면서 안부를 물어
And now his rap is speeding up. Okay.
난 여전히 삶의 인질 죽지 못해 살진 않지만 뭔가에 묶여있지 나도 너처럼 어딘가 두드릴 수만 있다면 온 세상에 진하게 입 맞출 수 있다면 그 누군가 나를 맞아줄까 내 고된 몸을 어쩜 받아줄까 제발 아무것도 묻지마 그냥 영원히 내려줘 네가 내리면 외롭지 않아 너라도 내 곁에 있어줘 잿빛 세상에서 살고 싶어 영원 따위 없는 걸 알고 있어 Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow
Now it's just him.
When it rains it pours When it rains it pours It pours Forever rain
I don't remember hearing this acoustic guitar in the previous pre-chorus or chorus. Okay, it's different this time.
Forever
Yeah, really beautiful chorus. On this note, right here. You can't even tell if it's him or the electric guitar. I think it's both. They're singing and playing the same note. That's cool. Okay. Very, very excited to see the lyrics now. Let's go. And he used so many different instruments here. Acoustic guitar, electric guitar, piano here in the beginning. Black Sun.
하루 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어 누가 나 대신에 좀 울어줬으면 해서 yeah, 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어 그럼 사람들이 날 쳐다보질 않았어 yeah, 우산이 슬픈 얼굴 가려주니까 빗속에선 사람들도 저마다 바쁘니까 좀만 느리게 숨 쉴래 평소엔 내 삶도 내 랩도 너무 빠르니까 지금 모든 게 저 위치로 하늘에 나의 그림자가 비치고 난 어둠을 딛고 서 있어 고개를 밑으로 내 발 뒤꿈치로 Yeah, slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow Forever.
So I think this song has a very similar underlying theme and message to Suga's interlude. What do you think, guys? Because he's pretty much talking about the same thing. Would cover the sad face because my life and my rap, they're usually too fast. Right? It's similar. It's similar to interlude.
Yeah, slow rap, slow jam, rain, everything slow. forever. Forever.
Ah, the bass. So thick.
비가 오면 조금은 나 친구가 있다는 기분이 들어 자꾸 내 창문들을 두드려 잘 지내가 오면 조금은 나 친구가 있다는 기분이 들어 자꾸 내 창문들을 두드려 잘 지내냐면서 안부를 물어 And I answer 난 여전히 삶의 인질 죽지 못해 살진 않지만 뭔가에 묶여있지 나도 너처럼 어딘가 두드릴 수만 있다면 온 세상에 진하게 입 맞출 수 있다면 그 누군가 나를 맞아줄까 내 고된 몸을 어쩜 받아줄까 제발 아무것도 묻지마 그냥 영원히 내려줘 네가 내리면 외롭지 않아 너라도 내 곁에 있어줘 잿빛 세상에서 살고 싶어 영원 따위 없는 걸 알고 있어 Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow.
Wow, they're so honest with their songs, and they're showing us that side that we don't tend to see. We kind of know about it, right, because they talk about it sometimes, but this loneliness that so many of the idols, or maybe all the idols face, and celebrities, doesn't have to be idols specifically. Yeah, it's really sad. It's sad. Especially this line, I'm still a hostage of life. Oh. I really hope he doesn't feel that way all the time. Because feeling like you're a hostage and you're doing something because you're kind of bound to it, you just have no other choice. I don't think they feel that way all the time. Maybe sometimes, yes, but I really hope that maybe our support and our love can help them feel less of that negativity.
입 맞출 수 있다면 그 누군가 나를 맞아줄까 내 고된 몸을 어쩜 받아줄까 제발 아무것도 묻지마 그냥 영원히 내려줘 네가 내리면 외롭지 않아 너라도 내 곁에 있어줘 잿빛 세상에서 살고 싶어 영원 따위 없는 걸 알고 있어 Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow When it rains it pours, when it rains it pours, it pours Forever
In the second chorus, it feels a little brighter. What do you think? Because of that acoustic guitar. It's like opening up to the brighter future. That's what it feels to me. Oh wow, guys. Okay, so it was a really, really sincere song. It places really sad, definitely. And it's nice to see how they're not afraid to, again, I've said this already, to share what they're experiencing, share their feelings with us through their art. It's great. I think music making for them definitely can be like a source of therapy, you know, like an outlet for their feelings. Musically, this one actually really surprised me because I expected to hear something different, you know, less background music and less instruments, just like a constant beat. And yes, we got that in the very beginning, but still it was made more complex with those off-tune, what sounded like off-tune background vocals. Then we got different instruments. That was really cool and interesting and diverse. Really enjoyed it. Yeah, and I think I'm mainly comparing this one to Reflection by RM, and that one, it had a very nice melody in the very beginning, if I remember right, but then it didn't really progress into anything, you know, it didn't develop. So although I enjoyed that one as well, I like this one way more. And the music video, you know, it was different from everything they usually do, but it was still nice to see. I think at places it really helped to convey this darkness and sadness of the song, and the music video itself being just black and white, I think it also helped. So good experience. I enjoyed listening to it once again, and I'm definitely gonna keep listening to it now. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed as well. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, and of course comment your thoughts and opinions about the song. I'll catch you all Evernator's in my next one, and as always, take care, keep listening to great music, and love.